We have other commands also. So let's have a look. We have seen this join command earlier also. So I'll just put it here. I just want to be quick. So I'll put the text later on. I'll just paste a few things. You can have this a dot join b. So every, you can see with welcome, if every alphabet Python is added in that. So normally we use a space actually, and to join the things, and that is more meaningful. You can put a hash also. So it is something like this. I'll show you. Join, or rather concatenates. It concatenates. So you just put a space in between everything. So you can do something like this, or you can put a hash also, and special character if you want to put. So with that also you can do something like this. So you can use joins like this, and let's have uh, L strip. Stripping is removing the spaces. Left strip, L strip, and put. You can see that the space on the left is gone. So we have L strip and R strip also. You can use any of that, right and the left. In this case, I've given spaces on the right side. So this is from the right, it will take, it will not work on the left. Let's run it. You can see only one space gone. Rest are there, but I can increase the size and check. Okay. Now we can have a split, and that is interesting command. It's also very important as far as string configuration is concerned. Python is an interesting language. You can find the type, then split, s dot split, and then we can print. You can see that it has converted into tokens. You can see the size also. So the string, the entire line is now into words, split into tokens. We call them tokens, and they're very important. And I can convert it into title instead of checking. I can convert also. Title. Have simply I can use this sentence which is there. S dot title. It has to be function, so we need a round bracket. So you can see that it is converted automatically into title case. Then we have a reverse function. Reverse. I'll just print. I have the word S is there. Okay. S dot reversed, but I'll have to change few things here. I can use simply reversed. Is there in numpy? Reversed. And it's, let me see if it works. Otherwise I'll have to change it. I can't see what is reverse, so I'll have to change it into list. And I hope all the brackets are there. One bracket is missing, I think. Yeah, one is missing. That's okay. So you can see that it is reversed now, starting from E, and each alphabet is now taken out. So you can have reversed command, reversed. We use reversed, and you can see the type if you want to see. And then we have a sorted also. We have a command called sorted. Sort direct commands. Spaces will be on the left, then PA. P is capital, that's why it is there. Otherwise, it starts from A. It works on ASCII, and for ASCII, for capital P, ASCII is less. So P comes first. With the numbers also, you can do the sorting. But these numbers have to be in quotes like this. So in between, it will come. It will do, sorry. And have this also. Spaces will always be on the left because they are not characters. Spaces will come first and then anything else. So you can single out or you can take out the spaces. Then we have a zip function. We have zip like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, zip A, B. Print C, let's see, and I'll show you. Number A is 1, 2, 3, 4, B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. When I zip it, actually it takes A and B together. So it is required a lot of time. You would be required to concatenate two arrays or two lists in such a way that they are placed like this, 1, 1, 2, and all. And now you can see how it is arranged, and you can print C. C is here. You can have the data something like this. It is more meaningful actually when we zip the things. Okay, and you can see the shape and all. We've already seen that. And if something is missing, then it won't come. It is like something is missing, like we don't have 4, so it will only take till 3. 1, 2, 3. Numbers are 1, 2, 3. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this case, only till 3 it will be there. So rest won't be available. Won't come. Or you can have something like this. You can use py split zip, and then we have split and found. Let me show you an example of split and picking. Right, let me paste it first. Now we have Python is an interesting language. We print the length, then SS is Python, that is the string to be found. Now if SS in L, print found, else print not found. Fine. Now L is equal list s dot split. We get a list and print L. Now if SS in L, then found, otherwise not found. Let's see what happens. This is Python, that is we are actually having like this list. We have put it in a list, and first time it won't be able to find Python. Not able to find because it is not in the list. It is converted into a list. So every alphabet is now, every character is now an element of it. Now, then what we do is we split this s dot split and convert into a list. And now we have Python is something like this. Earlier when we split, we did convert to list. Okay. Okay, so when I converted, first I split and then convert, then what happens? I get the entire word. Otherwise, what I get is a character, so it will never be able to find. So split is very important command, and we have to use it judicially. We have to see where it should be used. Okay, so this is a split command. I'll have to update this. How we apply that. Put some spaces so that it can be differentiated. So we split and then convert it into a list. And in this case, we just converted into a list, but it was not able to find Python, although it was there. Since it was list, it was not able to find it. In this case, it can find. So that is the difference with split. When you use, it has to be used judicially and judiciously. So now I think we can stop now. Let me, this notebook is already shared.